Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be assembling this Kobalt string trimmer and leaf blower combo kit. This one is the 40-volt Max Brushless set. So it comes with the battery, it comes with the string trimmer and the leaf blower and also the charger. So let's get to it. Opening the box, this is what we have inside. These are all the bits and pieces that we will be working with. I've taken out all the pieces out of the box. So here we have our leaf blower, the string trimmer, and this is the battery pack right here. This is the battery right here, and this is the charger. So the easiest thing to put together first, actually, for me, is this leaf blower. And you have this little blue area right there. It slips over, you slap it together, and it's installed. All I did was just push it together. Now the test will be once installing the battery, which just goes right in here. So I'm gonna see if the battery actually has any power to it. I essentially doubt it, but let's see if it did come pre-charged. Sadly, just one bar showing, so more than likely this won't do much. It might start it. Slide it in. Yay, we have life. It's alive! Yay! And that's it for installing or assembling this and attaching the battery to it. All you have to do is slide the battery in. To take the battery out, you unclick and slide out. And that's it. We are going to be assembling the string trimmer at this point. And with the string trimmer, you do need a tool. And what I'm using is this handy dandy Kobalt ratcheting screwdriver. I love this tool because it makes screwing things in or taking them apart much easier, and it comes with a number of different screw heads also, so definitely love it. We'll put a link for this down in the description also. So let's get started with putting together this string trimmer. The first thing that we're going to do is extend the pole and snap it together. There's the two screws that we're going to have to screw in this section. So make sure it's down straight and tight, and that's it. The next step in the process is installing the trim guard, this piece. And how you do that is pretty much you line it up and you slide it in, but definitely push further in so that it lines up all the way back here, so that these two screws, which comes with it, they fit in the holes. And all we have to do is tighten the screws. And for me, it's just fun here in the ratcheting part with the screwdriver for this one, because you don't really need a ratcheting screwdriver to do any of this. It's just a fun tool for me. That's installing the guard on the string trimmer. The next step is installing the handle. So to install the handle, it's fairly simple also. Need to unlock this area, take this off, and squeeze the handle over the bar. And when you're done, to put it back together, this piece needs to go in the hole here because you're going to lock it like that to adjust it to the height that you want, and you tighten the screw. And we've got our string trimmer assembled. The battery goes in this section just like it did with the blower, and we go from there. So that's it. That's all it takes to assemble this Kobalt string trimmer and leaf blower combo kit. This is the 40-volt version. There'll be a link down in the description for this Kobalt setup, and also for the screwdriver and any other Kobalt tools that you are looking for. These are all products that I purchased, so I'm not affiliated with Kobalt or anything like that, but this is just a product that I've bought and I like to use. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.